This gardens clay from Kashmir.
Oh. So they stay.
Murad and Aurangzeb was youngest.
Yeah.
But Aurangzeb wanted to be a king. So Shahjahan refused his proposal. So that's why Aurangzeb killed all his elder three brothers. I made two meeting places, two held meetings. One is for private audience and another is for public audience. So this is for private audience that called Diwane Khas.
Okay.
So king held here their cabinet meetings.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
So British governor,
Uh,
basically at the time of 1857,
yeah.
British governor in India and Agra,
Yeah.
John Russell Colvin, he died in this fort at that time.
ಹಾಯ್ ನಾನು ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ಕೇರಾವ್ ಮೋಜು ಮಂಕ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
It's a part of the library,
Okay.
Mughal time library. Basically, at that time they used furniture, but now it's just only stone. This is original architecture. Here's the swastik symbol. Symbol of
Yeah,
swastika
yeah.
represent our Hindu culture.
Yeah.
Because they took both architecture here.
Now
Both
it's
they were
been-
Muslim, but they are Hindu. So they took both architecture, Indian and Islamic also.
Yeah.
And this is original architecture on the wall, sir, but it is damaged by the time.
Yeah.
So that's why our government made it replica there.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, there is a swastik symbol over here.
Because it's the open area, so all rainy water through this drainage collect here. And this is the water drainage.
Yeah. These sewages.
This is the water drainage. It's like a chamber.
Yeah, chamber.
So inside of one hole.
Okay.
Through this hole, all water go to the moat area.
Okay.
But at that time, they had no electricity. I told you about this.
Yeah, yeah.
So natural AC, sir. And the bedroom actually is the King Jahangir's bedroom.
Okay.
And but why we called air conditioner room, sir? Because at that time they made house walls like very wide, 4 to 5 feet wide walls. And center part was hollow. They pour water between the walls according to weather. Summer time cold water, winter time hot water. For the manage of whole room temperature. And here is the drainage of the wall. The drainage of the wall.
Okay.
All the drainage water.
Okay. That wall cut, that drainage water. What is that 16678?
Yes, sir.
What is that 16678?
Maintenance work, sir.
Okay.
Change the thickness of the wall, sir. Like 4 to 5 feet wide wall.
Okay.
And see,
Oh, that is hollow.
hollow.
So there will be a water pouring
Water
from
between the
there.
walls, inside the walls.
Okay.
And here is another interesting thing. The walls have ear. Here. You speak from one side, sir, and here from another side.
Oh.
Please, please come here. Sir, please you come with me. Yeah, speak from here. The photo speak, sir. Speak.
Hello, Roshni. Roshni. Oh yeah. True.
This window.
Oh, this is a magic window.
Yeah, as we can see, it is open, sir.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There is no need to use door or window.
Just a hole from there.
Like a paper.
Yeah.
They made this window because a person who outside the room he could not see inside the room.
Yeah.
And the person who is inside the room, every time he have natural air and the ventilation.
Yeah.
That's why he made like. There is no need to use a door and a window. They were too smart, sir.
They were. Even the locking system, there were no cements before.
Fake TV, sir.
Oh.
Fake TV.
This was a place he used to watch.
No, sir. This is big. And this is the actual beauty of this fort, sir. The white marble part.
Okay, before Taj Mahal, this white marble
Yeah.
was done. And that is
Jahanara.
Jahanara.
This is the bedroom of King Shahjahan and his wife Mumtaz.
Okay.
And after the bedroom, Jahanara's palace, same is.
Oh. So this was a place where Shah Jahan used to view the Taj Mahal.
Next, sir.
Next, okay.
Shahjahan.
Yeah.
But what about Fort Aurangzeb?
Okay.
Aurangzeb didn't made any building in this fort.
Okay.
But Aurangzeb made two types more for security outside the fort.
Okay.
So the first mode,
Yeah.
bottom mode with crocodiles and alligators. The first one.
Okay.
Then center stone gallery, their soldiers stand here with their bows and arrows. And this part, trees and plants near us. There was noble time jungle,
Okay.
basically forest area for wild animals.
Oh.
So we can say this is 3-layer security.
Oh.
If enemies tried to access this fort, they could not access easily because of this high level security.
And again, there they used to pour oil and hot waters.
And the third point there,
Okay.
the cannon point.
Okay.
Third point,
Yeah.
the cannon points. We used to cannon.
Yeah, we saw one now outside. Bedroom of Shah Jahan and his wife Mumtaz. Oh. So they used to not have doors, just curtains.
They used only curtains.
And so soldiers and dasyas will be there, obviously.
So this room called the
Huh.
Khas Mahal,
Okay.
special palace. Because you see the black patches on the wall,
Yeah.
these black patches and everywhere in the room.
Yeah.
It was all gold on the wall. But British time, they mailed this gold, then they took it over. And they used a chandelier there.
Ah.
Chandelier made with glass.
Ah.
Night time, sir, the gold was shining.
Oh. So reflection.
Reflects. Their unofficial wives' living rooms.
Oh.
Because they had so many unofficial wives. Like Akbar had 3 official wives, Jodha Bai, Rakeja Begum and Salima Begum.
Okay.
And more than 100 plus unofficial wives he had.
Okay.
Same is son Jahan, 3 official. Maan Bai, Jagat Kusai, Noor Jahan. And more than 300 unofficial.
Okay.
All their unofficial wives lived in these rooms. So that called her.
Okay.
And these fountains worked as a room freshener.
Oh. So they used to put what is that?
Rose water.
Rose water.
Rose smell mixed with the air.
Yeah.
Went to the room. He made this garden for making natural grapes wine for himself.
Oh.
And these gardens clay from Kashmir.
Oh. So they used to every year they used to change the clay. Angur garden, right?
Grape garden. Hello.
Okay, this was a place.
And Shahjahan son Aurangzeb arrested his father and kept him here.
Okay.
Because at that time only the elder son, the king's elder son became the
Huh.
Murad and Aurangzeb was youngest.
Yeah.
But Aurangzeb wanted to be a king. So Shahjahan refused his proposal. So that's why Aurangzeb killed all his elder 3 brothers and arrested his father and kept him here. And Aurangzeb gave him only this area,
Okay.
only the room. And Shahjahan could not access other areas of this fort.
Okay.
Underground tunnel.
Okay. Yes, sir.
In front of us, the Mina Mosque.
Okay.
Shahjahan's personal mosque.
So he could come only till here.
Here's the stairs inside, sir. Then the upper sides, the mosque.
Oh, they closed it?
Yes, sir. So there is a small mosque, sir. This is a small mosque.
Okay.
So this is Shahjahan's personal mosque.
Okay.
One time I had two meeting places, two held meetings. One is for private audience and another is for public audience. So this is for private audience that called Diwane Khas.
Okay.
So king held here their cabinet meetings with their cabinet ministers and advisors. So at the summer time and rainy time they held meeting inside the hall.
Okay.
When winter time they held meeting outside the hall.
Okay.
So the black stone king's throne
Yeah.
and that side the white
Huh.
marble stone for prime minister.
Okay.
And now we can see the stone is broken, sir.
Yeah.
British time they attacked on this fort through a cannon.
Okay.
And at that time the cannonball made with stone and metal.
Okay.
So they just damaged or blast, sir. So a
Okay.
cannonball hit the stone here
Yeah.
and bounced from it and hit that wall. A hole is there.
Yeah.
Gold purity, gold is pure or not.
Okay, that stone, yeah.
You wanna that called Shahi Hammam. Shahi means royal, Hammam means bathroom.
Okay.
Family ladies shops their jewelries, clothes, makeup items through this market.
Gents are not allowed.
Gents are not allowed. In the market time, king used to sit here, this plate, and king red stone.
Okay.
Yes, all market and Mughal bank also, sir, here.
Okay.
That called Taksal.
Okay.
So we can see the white iron gates there.
Yeah.
So that was Mughal time bank. That called Taksal. They used to print their silver and gold coin, their currencies there. So they print there and store here inside these rooms.
Okay.
Treasury rooms. But now these rooms used by the government. This is the king's direct way to go to public audience.
Okay. So that was the inside conference room.
Yes, sir.
किंग को अंदर.
Both sides for queen.
Okay.
Meeting hall.
Oh.
This is called Diwane Aam.
दीवाने?
Aam.
Aam.
Aam means Aam Janta, local public.
Okay. I thought mango.
So, king used to sit here, sir.
Okay. Okay.
King sit here, both sides, they are queens.
Okay.
This is the same door you saw from the balcony.
Yeah, yeah.
And the white stone, like private audience for prime minister. These are for prime minister, white stone.
Okay.
And above this floor, there are other ministers and advisors, they all sit here.
Okay.
And in the ground side, local public stand there.
Okay.
And we can see the red gate areas
Yeah.
around the boundaries.
Yeah.
So the soldier areas.
Okay. Just okay. That is for army, the soldier.
Army. It is for army, sir.
Moti Mosque.
Would you like these gems?
Yeah, gem, yeah. Okay.
There.
Okay.
So British governor,
Huh.
basically at the time of 1857, sir,
Yeah.
British governor in India and Agra,
Yeah.
John Russell Colvin, he died in this fort at that time.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭೇಟಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಕೇರ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತಂತೂ ಸಖತ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತು, ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಡೋರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗುವ. ಆಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೇ ಇದು ಆರ್ಮಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸಾಕಾತುಂಟು. ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ರೋಲರ್. ಹಾಂ,
मैंने इनसे कहा था
ಚೈನ್. ಹೆಂಗಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಮತ್ತು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ do all the physical activities to protect yourself, and see you until the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮೋಜೋ ಮಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.